wishing a forgotten dream. All the number in your pocket when you wash your jeans. All the other power leaking when you got beliefs. Now that you got the scene, let's dive into some deeper things. Creeps and fiends, hate, deceit, and greed. It's like a labyrinth of circus freaks. I need a brew to ease me for cheesy. Nice and touch, yeah, I'm your instructor for the evening. This is an exercise in breathing to balance the hysteria surrounding you, pounding you in your chest. Once you found the method for ease, we'll do the rest like calm, on down.